10 new English words with meanings. Zombie, a fictional undead being. Doze off, to fall asleep, especially for a short time. Peel off, to remove the outer layer of something. See off, to go with someone to say goodbye. Goof off, to waste time or not do your work. Head off, to leave a place or start a journey. Kick off, to begin or start something. Fall off, to drop down off something. Drive off, to leave a place in a vehicle. Ease off, to reduce pressure, intensity, speed or force. Turn off, to stop a device, machine or light from working by pressing a button. Gorgeous, beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.